him even smarter.
And made me even smarter. And easier to live with, right?
Yeah, very much easier to live with. More calm, more mellowed out. This is another episode of Amazing Health TV. I'm Dr. Christie Winkelman.
And I'm Dr. Gil Winkelman. And today we would like to tell you about something that we do at our clinic, Insights to Health, called Neurofeedback.
And specifically, what is involved with neurofeedback and what is the kind of trajectory of how things go? Because as humans, we like to know what's going to happen.
And so let me just start by saying neurofeedback is really effective for a variety of different types of situations and conditions. You can use it for a general brain tune-up in a healthy individual, like I learned about it in medical school and was one of the guinea pigs that someone who was a class ahead of me was testing on.
And it made him even smarter.
And made me even smarter. And easier to live with, right?
Yeah, very much easier to live with. More calm, more mellowed out.
So there's that aspect, but it's also been shown to be really effective at treating a variety of conditions, like I mentioned. Attention deficit disorder, or ADHD, migraines, headaches,
Insomnia, anxiety,
post-concussion syndrome, the symptoms of that, those things. And we have a whole list on our website, insightstohealth.net, about all the conditions that neurofeedback has been shown to be effective for.
What you're really wondering is, what is it like when I come in for a session, and how do the sessions unfold? In your first session, your doctor will ask you a lot of specific questions about your concerns, your past and current health history, your family history. If appropriate, move into a map of your brain. It's fairly quick, which means that it's easy for children, very non-invasive. There's just several sensors that go on your head, and then one on each ear, and quick and painless, which people appreciate.
People appreciate, particularly if they have children with autism, which we treat a fair number of at the clinic, who generally don't sit still for very long.
It's always good to ask, I wonder if neurofeedback could help me.
Yep. Neurofeedback is a form of EEG biofeedback. We're actually measuring your brain waves, and in the first session we'll start with the map. The map is treatment. It's just a mild form of treatment. So, and it may take between 2 to 6 sessions to do the map. Usually it's about 2 or 3.
It's a fully colored map of your brain.
Of your brain, and then that just gives us an idea of what points to treat next. And so that's the important point of the map, more than the map itself.
Which of the 21 points that we measured are not functioning with the proper brain waves that would explain how you've been feeling.
And so as we work, we'll notice changes. We'll have you fill out a form each time so that we understand what's happening with your life.
Questions in your visit, and then we proceed with further points. Yeah. And we just keep going like that as we see more and more progress as the body and the brain heal.
Yeah, and if you check our website, we have more information about it, including a really good review article with lots of references about research studies on how effective neurofeedback is.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in, and if you like this video, please click the like button. We also answer questions that people have in the comments below, so feel free to put that in and send us a question about any health topic as well. It can be about neurofeedback specifically. So, and we'll see you next time.